Hi everyone, it's been a while since I did a video, so I thought I'd make this really quick video. I've been on this, I'm wanting to eat a little bit more healthier, and so I have some cremini mushrooms, I have some avocado, and some shredded carrots, soft-boiled egg, a little bit maybe on the hard side, and some steamed broccoli, and some green onions, and a little bit of lime. And then I have, for flavor, I have some of this tunisian sriracha hot chili paste. Someone told me about that, and it's really flavorful. And I have a little bit of extra flakes, and then I have a little bit of sesame seed oil. I only have a little bit left, so I'm going to use it. Basically what I did was I boiled my udon noodles, and you can buy them pretty much anywhere. Let me show you the package. They're Japanese udon noodles. So, there you go. And then what I did was I seasoned it with salt, of course, some sea salt, and then I cooked them, and then I'm going to stick them in a bowl. And then with after you season them, then I soft boiled the egg, and then this is some stock that I have, and basically it's some stock and seasoned with some sriracha. So, and that's all I do. So it looks really good, flavorful. So of course I make my own stock. So anyways, what you do, I'm gonna put this down really quick so that I can show you. Okay, let's see, hopefully it'll, there you go. You see that? Okay, alrighty, I think you can see that. See, the noodles, and then I have my noodles in there. So it's really hot. Make sure your broth is super hot. So I'm going to go ahead and put my veggies in there. So I have my veggies in there, and yeah, my broccoli. This actually would serve 2 people. But I'm so hungry, I'd probably eat the whole bowl. We'll see. And then you just kind of put it the way you want to. Okay. And usually I'll put a bed of spinach on the bottom, so because it'll be hot on the bottom, so I could put some spinach on there if I wanted to. But no spinach tonight. Last time was spinach, so not this time. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my shredded. I was inspired by a classmate. She made some, and I said, those look good, so I gotta make some now. So I'm gonna put all my creminis in there. I probably won't eat all this. It was really good. And you could do this at a restaurant if you own a restaurant, or a food truck, I suppose. And then I'm gonna put some green onions in there. So it has really pretty colors in there. Oh. Then I'll put my cilantro, and then I'll put my egg. So I'm just going to slice up my egg on top. Oh yeah, this is hard boiled. I overcooked it. I usually like it a little bit soft, but not this time. This time it's a little bit hard, but that's okay. I'm gonna eat it anyways. Yeah. And then if you want, you can put your avocados in there. So I have some avocado, and I need to eat them. I got them on sale. So I always try to get my stuff on sale. Oops. You know what? Let me just take it out. So basically you decorate it. You want to decorate the bowl. Okay? You want to decorate it nice and pretty. And then you want to put your, yeah. So you want to put your veggies, and then I'm going to go ahead and squeeze a little bit of lime on there. Yeah. And then pour my stock over it. And you have it. You have your nice soup with your udon noodles. If you want to sprinkle a little bit of peppers on there, you can. And there you have it. That easy. Serve it with some chopsticks and enjoy. Okay. Hope that helps. Really inexpensive ingredients for a nice healthy meal. And this should serve 2. So this would serve 2. So I'll have some now, a little bit now, and some later. Okay, bye. You can have it for breakfast too. Alright, bye.